Once upon a time, in the mystical kingdom of Whisperwood, the people lived in harmony with nature, surrounded by lush jungles, vibrant wildlife, and towering trees. This wasn't just because they loved the forest, it was because of their magical protector, Princess Eevee. She wasn't an ordinary princess. Her tears possessed powerful magic, capable of healing wounds, reviving crops, and defending her people from threats. But every time Princess Eevee used her magic, it drained her energy. The kingdom, however, was in grave danger. An evil sorcerer named Sorrow had taken control of Whisperwood, and he was determined to capture Princess Eevee. Sorrow knew that the princess's magical tears were more powerful than any spell he could ever conjure. If he could harness them, he would be unstoppable. Eevee, troubled by her ever-depleting strength, sought advice from the village's wise man. "Princess," the wise man said, "your tears are made of water, and water has memory. But you cannot rely on them forever. There is a legend, a phoenix born from its own ashes. It is said that the phoenix possesses magic far greater than any other power in the world. Perhaps the phoenix can help you find a way to use your magic without being drained." Determined to save her people and defeat Sorrow, Princess Eevee decided to embark on a dangerous journey. Before she left, she entrusted the care of the village to her most loyal soldiers and set out with a small group of warriors to find the mythical creature. Days passed, and the princess's journey led her deeper into the heart of Whisperwood. The forest became denser, and the path more treacherous. They encountered wild animals, but Princess Eevee used her magic sparingly, knowing she had to conserve her strength. One night, as they camped near a lake, Eevee gazed at her reflection in the water. "Why must my magic be tied to my tears? Why can't I control it without pain?" she wondered aloud. Suddenly, the water rippled, and a voice echoed from the trees. A nymph, a mystical being of truth, appeared beside the lake. "Princess Eevee," the nymph said, "your tears are born from pain because pain holds great power. But you must face the source of your pain to unlock the full potential of your magic." Eevee was startled. "The source of my pain? I do not understand." "Water has memory, and your tears carry the weight of your past," the nymph replied. "Only by confronting your deepest fears will you be free from the burden that holds your magic captive." Before Eevee could ask more, the nymph disappeared, leaving her to ponder her words.